Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the LG RK8. Now this is the Loud R DJ Boombox. You can pick this up on Amazon. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on this one, $250. Now this thing is packed with features, so let's go over some of them real quick. Take your music everywhere, high power speaker system. Now this has 100 watts RMS power. You got an LG DJ mixer. You got a crossfader, you get voice filters, it has a built-in karaoke creator, you also got a rechargeable battery that lasts up to 10 hours, you get an FM radio, comes with a carrying strap, and one of my favorite features, RGB lights. Hashtag RGB life. Alright, so let's unbox this and see what you get inside. Alright, so here's everything you get in the box. You got your speaker, got your usual books and shit, plug them and file them, you got a plug, and your carrying strap. Now one thing about this strap, the quality on it. It's just like the seatbelt in your car. It's definitely not going to break. Now the speaker itself, the website says it weighs 21.8 pounds, but I think it's a little bit more. It got to be at least 30. This thing is super heavy, but the quality on it is A1. Alright, so here's the front. You can see them speakers on the inside. On this side, here's your mount for the strap. On the back, look at those ports. You already know the bass is going to be bumping on this. There's your on and off, your plug input. Now, check out the top. Too many features to go through, but let's try anyway. You got your headphones input, and you have another input, 3.5. You could put a microphone in there if you want. You got a 5-volt USB charger. Charge up your phone at the same time. Okay, this is going to look like another power button. Let's see, we got USB record, you got your lighting button. Check this out. I got to show you how this comes with an antenna. This is a real antenna for your FM radio. Okay, let's see what else you got. Headphones mode. Now this is actually like a DJ controller. So once you plug your headphones in, you can play music, have one song playing on this side, listen to your headphones, have a different song playing on this side. So play with that if you want. You got your presets, play and pause. Let's see, you got info, search, auto sync, DJ loop, straight up DJ controller right here. Now auto sync, that's going to be dope if you're making your own blends. You put some music on one side. I got to lean this down. Put some music on one side at one speed, put another song on, hit auto sync, and it'll sync up the tempos together. I'll give y'all a demo too. You got your sound effects, DJ effects, user EQ, key changer. For when you're doing your karaoke, you can make your voice sound like Darth Vader or make it sound like a chick. Let's see what else you got. You got search, info, basically all the same controls on both sides. Now we're going to go through all the DJ sound effects. You got DJ effect level, bass, middles, and trebs. Bass, middle, and treb. High, mids, and lows. You know what I'm saying. All right, so let me plug this in and we'll do a little demo. All right, so before we play with all the DJ features, let's see how this thing actually sounds. Max volume. sounds good. Let me play one more song. Alright, so this is what it's going to look like when you're standing behind the speaker DJing. Now, on a side note, don't forget to have your DJ headphones on with one ear open so you can look like an official DJ scumbag. Alright, so let's go through some more of these buttons. First, here's the turntables. Push it forward, you get a scratch sound. Bring it back, a different one. Same thing with the other one. Bring it back. So you just got to play with it and get used to it. Now, check out the DJ effects. Anybody ever been to a reggae party, you heard this one before. Check this one out. Alright, when you're getting ready to drop that heat, got to sound the alarm. Check this one out. Okay, that's cool. You got this one. Select the rewind. You got this one. You got this one. Next one. Now this is the what button. Now here's my favorite one. I'm about to have too much fun. You heard how they let it tape off at the end? One more. Now, you got your function. All right, so that's LG TV. You can connect this to your TV if you want. FM radio. You got USB 1, USB 2, portable, that's your 3.5 for non-Bluetooth devices. And then you got Bluetooth. Now keep in mind, you can connect two separate USBs, one here and one here. So if you're using your crossfader and you got your headphones on, you have one song keyed up on this side, have your headphones on, and then you can crossfade it out and do your scratching and then your mixing. Let's see, you got wireless link. Now if you got another LG speaker that features wireless link, you can pair these up together, or some other speakers have wireless link features. I'll do a little bit more research, but I know for sure it works with LG speakers. Let's see, you got a mic with echo, vocal effects, and your voice canceller. Now that's for when you're using karaoke. Voice canceller, say you put on a song, but it doesn't have an instrumental, you can cancel the voice. You're going to hear it a little bit, but then you just have basically an instrumental, and you can do your karaoke. Now it doesn't come with a mic, but I happen to have one on deck. Y'all need to hear this mic. I'm going to plug it in. All right, check this out. Hold on. Here we go. All right, so no echo first.
Testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, 1, 2, 3.
Regular mic. Now, one echo.
Testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, 1, 2, 3.
Now you got echo mode 2. Now this is my favorite one.
Testing, 1, 2, 3.
You heard how long that echo is?
Yeah. DJ Floss. Back at the building. Let's go.
And I would have my music queued up. It would have went down. All right. Now I want y'all to see what the lights look like.
Yeah. DJ Floss. Back at the building. Y'all ready to turn up? Well, let's go.
in the morning, take a look about the city. Young nigga grinding, trying to make it to a billion. Came from the bottom, got my kingdom down chillin'. Pulling foreigns through my hood to hurt these hating niggas feelings. Had them stressing with the school face, rush with the blue face. Flights out of JFK, bitches in the suitcase.
Let's go. I know I see everybody from Queens on the dance floor. With that soulful universe. Let's go.
Ciao, nigga. Wake up in the morning, take a look up at the city. Young nigga grinding, try to make it to a billion. Came from the bottom, got my kingdom now chillin'. Pulling foreigns through my hood to hurt these hating niggas feelings. Had them stressing with the school face, rush with the blue face. Flights out of JFK, bitches in the suitcase. All this money coming in, I think I need a new safe. Never mind with these calls, you couldn't afford the shoelace. Ballin' hard, spinning cake on all this jewelry. Crazy with this music that your lady trying to do to me. AP got some new shit, I might go get 2 or 3. Killing all these niggas, get the caskets and the eulogies. I used to play the gutter with the lobby sent on me. Now I'm hopping out that California Rari sent on me. Told you what the trap make it probably snitch on me. Got it looking like the blood dropped 1,000 bricks on me. Yeah, mom came and grounded cause we're no other option. Saving fees for cases that
Let's go.
Alright, so overall, on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm giving this a major go. For $250, this is a certified win. Now think about it like this. Just as a speaker, forget the DJ effects, forget the RGB lights, forget the radio, forget the mic. Just as a speaker, I compared it to my JBL Boombox, and the Boombox is my favorite one. So if the Boombox is a 10, I would give this an 8.5. Sound quality wise, it's almost equivalent to a JBL Boombox. Now add the RGB lights, add all the DJ effects, the sound effects, the karaoke, the radio, the carrying strap, 10-hour battery life. This is way too much fun. When you watch my New Year stream, I will have this on deck for them sound effects. That mic echo chamber is too much fun. Anyway, like I said, this is a triple major go, LG RK8. You need to check this out. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about this. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter. That's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces.
Spock here.
Spock, one to beam up.
Affirmative, Captain. Enterprise out.
Energize.